In today's video, let me teach you how to enable Gemini AI inside of Google Chrome. If you want to enable the AI overview feature or the Gemini AI feature inside of Google Chrome, what you need to do is open up a web browser, open up the Google Chrome web browser, click on this icon which is the search labs. Inside of labs.google.com, you'll see the section called AI experiments and you'll have the option of the AI overviews. Click on the turn on option and click on I agree. This way now the overviews now have been enabled. Now whenever you search up something, the AI overviews page or the section will be enabled by default. Now this section is not visible inside of every search that you make. It is mostly visible for informative search. Now other than this, there is a new section inside of Google which is the AI mode. This is basically Gemini working inside of Google searches. Whatever search that you make inside of this, it is just like an AI chatbot. Normally as you use Gemini or any other LLMs, this is the exact section inside of Google that you can try out. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.